You talk about me.
You don't know about me. You don't
You
know
talk
about me. You don't know about me. Yo, you ain't know about me. I do this shit for free. Shitting on these motherfuckers' Christmas trees. Christmas trees made my Christmas wish list a hit list just for Christmas, B. I rhyme for real. Just to get a fucking record deal. And you talking about this shit, but I ain't had a fucking meal in a week, bitch. You a weak bitch. Yo, I'm Stone Cold Steve Austin. Thought you in the coffin. Plus, I've been to Austin. I've been around the world. I've been around your girls. I've been doing this shit fun. Real worlds. I'm on top of the world. I'm in the fucking climax. You wanna try that? You wanna try that? You ain't shit to me. Motherfucker, you just a bitch to me. I'm from Boston. Get fucking lost in. Tossed in the coffee. Stone Cold Steve Austin. Twist the lids back. Yeah, I did that. Motherfucker, you just a Kit Kat. A Kit Kat, why? Cause you a break to me. You a fake to me. But you hating, B? You hating, B? Welcome to the real world. I fuck with real people and real girls. You just a fucking hater. And I chewing you now and later. Like a now and later, I do you a favor. Motherfucker, I'm Darth Vader. I'm a motherfucking animal. Throwing up gang signs like a cannibal. Did you even get that last line? This your last time. Put it on Vine. You motherfuckers wanna try that? Motherfuckers ain't trying me. I put you on a diet, B. Motherfuckers wanna battle me. I come with my cavalry 50 deep. Put you 6 feet deep. And then rise from the dead. And I knock you in your head. And I knock you till you're dead. And dead again. Motherfucker, I tell you, I'm the president. I'm the president and the congressman. Motherfucker, one long, I just fucked up, but you lucked up, but you stuck up, but you wanna talk about me, but you motherfuckers fucked up. And I'm spitting in a phone right now. Motherfucker watching this should be at home right now. But you don't want to see me in the streets. You don't want the fucking beef. You don't want the fucking meat. You don't want the fucking meat. You just a fucking vegetable. More talk to me, motherfucker wanna meet me. Wanna meet me? You probably deceased, B. Cause my boy knocked you off in your seat, see? I rhyme till I'm dead, grind till I'm dead, motherfucker. I'm kinda drunk right now, but you just a punk right now. Go ahead.
Go ahead.